Good morning, good evening, good day. It's Tracy back from Matley House. How are you all doing? Hope you're doing fabulous. Today is Amazon Prime Day, and yesterday was, and I decided to treat myself to some goodies. So I've got a little Eufy. Is it Eufy? But I'm dead excited, so let's unpack this baby. Let's get this baby unpacked. I love getting little gadgets. I have no idea what to expect, so we're unpacking together. So we've got the manual, which will have a closer look at it in a minute. Egg carton top. And let's turn it on its side. Here she is. Now there's the box. I'm so excited. I hope it's good. Gentle. Okay. So let's take that, press it off. So we've got our little box. Okay, and we've got a plastic cover here. I don't like peeling these things off. Oh, I love peeling those things off. And we've got a plastic cover here. What are we going to call it? Can't call it Eufy because I don't even know how to say it properly. Oh, it's pretty. What are white bits for? Oh, let's just pack in. Good. I thought it looked a bit weird. White bits. Quite heavy. There's an open slot. Oh, okay. Handy for emptying, but as you can see, I bought the one where it can empty itself. Why would you want a robot and it not do everything? Come on, edge cam. Wiring by the looks of it. Get it open. Okay. What's that? Let's take that out. And that's it for the box. So let's stand that out of the way. Gosh, I'm excited. I'm always excited to get a new gadget. But this one, oh, yes! I've been dreaming about getting one of these for years. I just haven't had the spares to do it until this Prime Day. Oh look, we've got another sticky to remove. Yay! Okay. So that must be the ramp in here. Looks like it, because it should have because he ain't going to be able to get up there, is he? Oh, okay, so I've already nominated the fact that it's a he. That's the one in there, is the ramp. Over there. And it looks like it just... wow, that's not difficult. Okay, well, it looks like all we've got to do is plug it in and have a read of the manual. And then find a little home for it. Okay. Right. I'll find a little home for this. This little beauty. Look at it. That's the open for the back dustery bit. What's that? So you can manually turn it on and off. I assume that's his eye. I think they use LiDAR, don't they? As far as I'm aware, they use LiDAR. The ramp was very easy to put in place. And that must be his little dust collection area and a bag that's already attached. I know the bags are quite expensive. I think I saw them on Amazon for, they were about 20 quid. But between you and me and the gatepost, I've seen them elsewhere for just over a tenner. So guess where I'm getting them from. Okay, let's get this set in place somewhere and switched on, and I'll be back. All you do is shove the little robot in. There's two little magnetic spots on the back of the unit and two on the Eufy. So it said, shove it in and turn it on. And it said, ooh, made a nice noise, ooh, charging. And that's where we're up to. What's next? We're downloading the app on my phone. And we're just about to open it now, and it's the Eufy Home. A Eufy Clean would like to send you notifications. Yeah, I'll let it for now. Okay, we got to set up email and password. So what we got here, as you can see, it's just loading up. And we got to add the device, I assume. And I'm assuming we're going to have to put it onto my Wi-Fi as well. So, place the robot close to the router. Press and hold the begin cleaning button for 3 seconds. Okay, let's go find that and I'll be back. I'll push the button. If you hear a voice or beep, and there it is. Startup successful. I heard. Next, it says. What's next? Press and hold the start and recharging button for 3 seconds until you hear the voice confirmation that the reset is successful. So I've got to go push both buttons now. I'll be back. So, reset completed, it said. Next. Wi-Fi is not within scanning range of the robot and the connection may fail. It is recommended to reselect Wi-Fi or move the robot closer to the router. I've got to carry the robot into the front room. I'll be back. Okay, so I carried it like a baby into the front room and set it right in front of the router. And then the app connected. And we've got a play button. Look, let me show you. So we've got a play button and an enter. What button do you think we should push? Let's have a look. So that Can you see where he is? Up here. See the little dot? Looks like he's going around the couch. I don't know how he got all of this down here. I mean, that was a bit swift. Because he came out of the study and went straight into the front room. So he's travelling and mapping. Oh, he's actually going up and down. So he's actually cleaning the front room. He's just finished doing a quick mapping. And that's what he's done. That's pretty good, actually. I don't think this area up the top here is where my big round chair is in the front room. And I can see where the couch is. And we got the kitchen here, and there's the breakfast bar. So he's been all around in there. There's the bathroom, my bedroom, the spare bedroom. He can't get all round it because I've got a load of packing boxes in the way there. And the study. And he reckons he's seen 279 square feet, and it took him about 8 minutes. So he's now jumped onto his charging block and he's charging again, and he's now at 43% charge. So that didn't use a lot, which is good. What else we got to do? Now you can edit the map if you want, but I don't think I need to edit the map. Let's come back up here. I know he's got to still do the update. I've told it to update, auto upgrade. What if I take the auto off and make him do it now? Upgrade now. Let's see what happens.
Please wait. System updating.
Did you hear that? It said, please wait, system updating. So it's doing a firmware update, as you can see. And it gives you tips. And I'm assuming, once we've done this upgrade, I'll put it as an auto upgrade. But it's on 75% so far. %. No. Still 99%. So you'll see what I see when it's finished. And I don't know what the upgrade does. I didn't read it. Most upgrades are a good thing. Still 99%. Oh, come on, stay in focus. Don't be annoying, camera. Okay, it's still doing it. And I assume he'll speak and tell us when he's finished. And then I'll put him into auto upgrade after that.
System upgrade complete.
Did you hear that? It said system upgrade complete. Oh. He's playing me a weird tone. Charging. Although the app still says 99%. But at least the bot says it's done and it's now charging. So I think we're just waiting for the app to catch up. The app seems to be a little slow. Still updating. Which we know the bot's finished, so I haven't even brushed my hair. I got so excited that the Prime delivery came. I thought, oh, it's Prime, man. I've just finished getting out of the shower and Prime came and I thought, yes. I thought, oh, I'll dry and straighten the hair later. Yeah, it's still at 99%. The app is slow. Should I hit the back button? Because we know it has finished on the bot because he told us. Can I hit the back button? I've clicked on the auto upgrade. Let's see if I can hit the back button. I can hit the back button. You can manage the map that it's done. See how we've got a map now in the map settings. I suppose you can, if it's gone into a place you don't want it to go, you can go in and change that. If you're going to carry him up a flight of stairs, you can create 2 levels. So have 2 sort of maps. You can change the voice. You can change the voice to a female. But for some reason, we called it a male as soon as it arrived. So if I change female.
Successfully changed language pack.
See, you can. Did you hear that? No, it doesn't suit it. It's got to be a man.
Successfully changed language pack.
If I'm going to have a cleaner, a robot cleaner, it'll be male. So it's definitely male for me. It could be French though. I could. Oh, yeah, but then I won't understand what he's saying. But it'd sound good. Once you know, yeah, I might just put it in French just for the heck of it. So there's robot settings, base station settings, cleaning history you can look at. That's pretty much it, you know. I mean, it is charging. You can set up a schedule so you can make him come out and clean at certain times of the day. But for me personally, I've got a really old dog here that, between you and me, he might have a pee every now and then. So I don't want the robot going and scooping up some pee or worse. So I'd rather not set a schedule at the moment. I'd rather make sure the area is dog free and then set it on its way. But we're going to let it fully charge and then I'm going to let it continue. Oh, what? What are you beeping for? God knows. I'm quite happy with it. What can I say? I love it. What a great toy. So, it is the L60 SES, which just means, you know, that it can dump its rubbish back in the station. That's all that is. So it's the little station at the back. And the model is T2277. And it's the easiest thing ever to have set up. I think the hardest thing was him getting back on his station as I've filmed. But I think some of that is my fault because in the tips it says it's best to keep his station on a hard surface and give like a good foot and a half space either side. I assume it's so the LiDAR don't get interrupted with objects so that he can just see the station and get back on. So he hasn't got that. He is on a carpet here and he has got a unit not very far from him. But he made it on, as you saw. And he made it on twice because he'd done the mapping and came back and charged himself up. So, what else? What other tips can I say? We haven't actually got around to him cleaning yet. So what I will do is when he's fully charged, I'll put him on a quick clean cycle. And then when I see that he's coming back to base, I'll get my phone out and see if we can actually hear him emptying his dust and fluff. Because most of it is going to be cat fluff and dog hair and maybe my hair. Because I'd like to see, it's supposed to have like a little cutting blade on the inside to help cut the hairs off. So you shouldn't get as much tangling underneath, which for me with long hair is brilliant. So we'll add that little bit in and I'll see you in a bit. I just clicked on the map and I told it, because you could click, stay still. it was on auto, but you can click on room there. And then I selected my bedroom and told it to go clean my bedroom. And I don't know if you can see him on the map. So you're getting a bit of white. You can't really see, can you? No. Anyway, he's apparently cleaning the bedroom, so let's go in and have a nosy at him. This is fascinating me. So you can see the little marks on the floor that I can see where he's gone up that unit. He's definitely not cleaned in front of my bed yet. I know that because I've left some white fluff that come off my socks on the floor. The black fluff, sorry. Where is he? I assume he's under the bed. Hello? I have to give him a name. Where are you, mate? You still under the bed? I can't see him. Can you see him? No? Not yet. Not unless he's zigzagging under there. I think there's a picture. Oh, there he is. There he is. Look. Love it. See the little line he's making behind him? Yes. So I can see a load of floof down there. You going to get that floof? I assume he won't come off the carpet because he was told to clean this room. What are you doing out here? Get back in. Good boy. Don't come out here, you muppet. Okay. So. Okay. No, he's not on the highest suck. He's on one level down of suck. So because this is not an easy carpet even when I manually hoover it. Look at him, he's got a wobble like my bat. There. So if he's not picking it all up, we can raise the suck, which might be an option for just the bedrooms that have got this annoying carpet, to raise the suck just for the carpet rooms and then lower it down for the wooden floors. The little wobble he's got. Whew, this is fascinating me to pieces. Oh. I'm such a geek. Nice. Now I've got a picture frame under the bed, so I know there is something under the bed, which I will move. Where's it going now? Is this boring you to tears? I'm sorry. I get so fascinated with these sort of things. I can't help it. I mean, look at it. It's cleaning the floor. I mean, how cool is that? I've wanted one of these for so long. Well, actually, I wanted the Roomba first because I think that was the one that was out. But I saw online a few people mentioning this robot, so I thought, oh, yep. And the price was right. And today was the day, Prime Day, and I thought, I've got the money, gonna get myself this gadget. And so far I'm loving it. It's fascinating me. Look at it. Yeah, you're gonna have trouble under there, mate, because there is a picture under there. I have to stay at my bed. I haven't even made my bed properly. Sorry. Don't really care. Not until there's a robot that can make my bed for me. Yes. So we're going to stay on him until he's finished this room, because I want to catch him emptying. I must take that picture frame out. I think that will make it a bit easier under the bed without that picture frame under there. I will get around to doing that. She says. I will. Come on, mate. Let me pause. And I'll wait here until he's starting to leave the room, and then we'll catch up. And I think he's done everywhere. Oh. You're going to check over there, are you? I know you've been there because I can see the lines.
Task finished. Heading home.
So there you go, he's heading home. We will follow. Oh, he's speedy. There he goes. Get out of the way, Jack. No, doggy, move. Right, we'll watch from this angle. Let's go sideways.
Cutting rolling brush hair. Ooh, saying it's time, isn't it? So it said it was cutting the rolling brushes. Now we heard it, because obviously it's like having two hoovers. You've got this one here, the one at the back. So that sucks it out of there. And it emptied it, and then it wanted to use the cutting blade to cut the rollers to make sure there was no hair on this. Then it spent time cutting the rollers, and then it come back on again, that hoover, to suck that excess out of it. Oh, I'm so impressed.
I love it. What did you think of it? I think it's amazing. Like I said at the beginning of this, I think I did anyway. I got so excited. I don't know what I've said and what I haven't said. There is newer models out of the Eufys, and there is an X10 that I was looking at. If I'd have had enough money, I would have bought the X10. But I don't have that money. I went for the one that I could afford. And this is the one that I could afford. And I couldn't be any happier with it. I think it is an amazing little bot. I would not say no to an X10. And maybe in a year or two's time, I might be able to upgrade to an X10. Well, I don't know. But I'm super happy with it. Hopefully, I've showed you everything you need to see. If there's anything else you want to know, I mean, I'm no expert, like you saw. I saw it at the same time as I was showing you, so I didn't know anything about it. I didn't know how to do anything with it. We learnt that together. So if there's anything I can show you close-ups or whatever to help you, then just ask in the comments. I'll do what I can to help. So, super happy with my with my new gadget. Love it. So until next time, and on the next gadget, take care of yourself, and I'll see you later.